This is the practice test for percents. Here we're looking at problem number 16. And the problem states James is employed at Chase Bank and makes $48,000 annually. If 20% of his income goes to housing, how much does he spend on housing? This is a problem in which we are looking for the part of his income that is spent on housing. So we want to look on the handout sheet and we find the formula for the part, which is the percent times the total. And we are given the percent as 20%, and the total is the total income that he makes annually, $48,000. And we would multiply the 20% times 48,000, and we would get $9,600 is what he spends on housing. We always want to look at the answer, make sure that it makes sense in the problem, and this does make sense that he would spend that much on his housing. If we do the problem this way, we want to hit the percent key on the calculator. If we change the percent to a decimal number, then it would be 0.20 times 48,000, and it would still give me the same answer.